Hey, are you looking for a good quality drone from Aliexpress? I have fixed the drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the best drone is Snaptain A15H camera drone. The Snaptain A15H is a great beginner's drone or for the more experienced users as well. It also has an affordable price and decent video quality. The A15H also comes with various modes such as the Follow Me mode, which is very useful, where the drone will follow you wherever you go. This is a foldable drone that comes with a 720-pixel HD camera and several advanced features that will make flying this drone a lot of fun. A good overall drone and great for beginners. Recently this drone price is $99.99. This drone has 120-degree wide-angle 720-pixel HD camera including an adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone with the drone. You can control your drone hands-free with simple voice commands like takeoff and landing, turn left and right, forward and backward. The drone beats any near competitors with this smart voice control and is indeed the best gift choice ever. The Snaptain A15H comes with a rechargeable 3.7-volt, 800 mAh battery, which you can charge with the USB battery charger. Two modular batteries can support a longer flight time for you and your family, which makes your flight more exciting and interesting. In this drone trajectory flying mode is available. Draw a path in your app interface, and the drone will fly following the path accordingly, which is the newest technology. This drone has multiple flight modes like altitude hold mode, gravity sensor mode, 360-degree flips and rolls, headless mode, one-key start, landing and return, emergent stop, and 3-speed mode adjustment. In at number 4, the drone is Conusea iCat 1 Pro. iCat 1 Pro drone is an affordable mini drone with a camera that is great for a new user. It is equipped with features such as headless mode, altitude hold, 3-speed mode, and one key to take off and land. These are a helpful feature for beginners with direction and speed control. You can fly this quad indoors and outdoors. Both the quad and its controller are cool looking and well designed at this price point. Its body looks like a reptile and its controller is very comfortable. That looks and feels like a PlayStation controller. Already this drone price is $129.59. It has a foldable arm, small size, and easy to carry. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Its 4K HD wide-angle camera can adjust the angle 90 degrees by the controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures and video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. When flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. By its gesture photo and video system, you will break the old way of taking photos and find the fresh new thing by make gestures to record your beauty. Within the range of 1 to 3 meters. This drone equipped with high-capacity 7.4-volt, 1500 mAh intelligent battery. Yields up to 20 minutes of flight time. It has a powerful brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. This drone has multiple flight modes like altitude hold mode, optical flow positioning mode, follow me mode, waypoint flight mode, fixed point surround mode, one-key takeoff and landing, etc. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. In at number 3, the drone is iCat 7 4K drone. Now, this drone price is $142.25. In this RC drone using a 4K HD professional camera to provide a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. You can capture unforgettable moments without distortion and view images on your phone through a wide-angle lens. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to the APK system to take pictures and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera, ideal for flagship aerial photography. The quad-rotor fuselage is made of high-strength and engineering plastics, which is light and durable. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. The ingenious design of the fuselage, whether it is the exterior or interior, integrates many aesthetic elements, is simple and beautiful. Two-axis gimbal can fly more stably and is easy to control, and the height-hold mode function also can provide stable flight. This is a perfect drone that can fly easily and stably for beginners, children, beginners, or novices. This drone equipped with 7.6-volt, 3000 mAh powerful battery. About 300 minutes charging time, 2.4 GHz remote frequency. About 1000 meters flight distance, about 25 to 28 minutes flight time. The remote control can adjust the camera angle up and down, and can continuously adjust up and down 90 degrees. The battery adopts a modular design, which is convenient for users to buy more electricity and fly for a long time. The drone has both outdoor GPS positioning and indoor optical flow positioning functions to ensure stable hovering indoors and outdoors. Fixed indoor air pressure, optical flow positioning, outdoor dual mode, GPS fixed point, and one key return. And at second place, the drone is Conusea Q868, professional 4K drone. Already this drone price is $194.39. It has a foldable arm, small size, and easy to carry. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Its 4K HD wide-angle camera can adjust the angle 90 degrees by the controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected take pictures and video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. This drone equipped combines a lightweight two-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms. Ensure that drone cameras provide high quality by reducing blurring caused by in-flight vibrations. You can store pictures and videos on the SD card. Make sure the image and video pixels are not compressed. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected take pictures and video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak, when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. The high-capacity 11.4-volt, 3150 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 30 minutes flight time. By its altitude hold mode. By setting the air pressure outside, the quadcopter can hover in the air stably, making the shooting easier. In its follow me mode function, the drone will automatically follow and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. In this drone the waypoint flight mode is available. Open the drone app, use the flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen, the copter will auto-fly as per the given path. This drone has 6-axis gyro technology, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. And at number 1, the drone is Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone. If you are looking for an affordable high-quality HD camera drone with advanced features like GPS, intelligent flight modes, and good flight time, the Holy Stone HS720 will be a good choice. It is an exceptionally well-designed drone that looks stunning, has a really good 2K camera, and 3 intelligent flight modes that make it suitable for everyone to fly. Recently this drone price is $225.49. The optimized Full HD camera built with a shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from a different angle. By its GPS-assisted intelligent flight system, never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically. Flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. The Holy Stone HS720 comes with a rechargeable 2800 mAh battery, which you can charge with the USB battery charger. The intelligent battery works for 26 minutes for each charge. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. This drone equipped multi-sensors to guarantee to hover with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environments. Optical flow positioning makes a great effect when the GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions, like one-key start and stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and electric fence, keep it simple to control for even beginners. The control range of the 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches to 3,000 feet high range. Battery level and GPS signal is shown on the LED screen. A button to turn on or off the drone light is added. Right-hand throttle mode is available for a left-hander. Remember to remove the scratch-proof film from the controller and the camera before use. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.